Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how PD measurement is done for the 66 kV GIS and lower voltages level. Generally, countries which have advanced system uses OCUs in order to transmit partial discharge data to a PDMS panel which is generally placed in control room. However, still a huge chunk of electricity grids are unable to afford such advanced system. As a result, original equipment manufacturers provides a provision for measuring the partial discharge through PD couplers which are provided all across the GIS. These boxes are placed in such a manner that it can cover all the GIS equipments such as bus bars, cable chambers, isolators, earth switch, etc. To be precise, total area of GIS has to be covered. Now, the next question that will arise is how to decide where to keep these PD couplers in order to cover complete area. So this is done basically at the factory level by measuring the sensitivity data of each PD coupler and then accordingly putting the PD couplers at their respective positions. Before we start the partial discharge measurement setup description, I would like to mention three important things that has to be kept in mind before starting the measurement. The first thing is to switch off all your mobile devices, Wi-Fi devices, as these interfere with the PD signals. Secondly, the input which comes from the PD coupler is passed through a notch filter before it enters the kit, as the noise will always be there in the substation and we have to somehow cancel this. So basically notch filter is used for that purpose. Then lastly, cable end which is connected towards PD coupler is equipped with a surge arrestor to prevent kit from getting faulty due to high voltages. Now we will discuss step-by-step procedure which is really simple in order to measure the PD signal. The first step involves to open the PD couplers which are placed on GIS to connect the kit leads. Kit basically consists of an amplifier which amplifies the PD signal before it enters our laptop, because these signals are really weak in the nature. Once input from GIS PD couplers comes to an amplifier, it is transmitted to a kit used to analyze the PD graphs. Now, the PD will always be following a set pattern and always be regular in nature. If there appears a distorted kind of graph which with irregular voltages at different time levels, then there might be a possibility that noise is persisting in substation. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and I would be looking forward for your feedback.